Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Dubai chocolate bar and the Dubai chocolate covered strawberries, so let's get started with the video. I'll put the link for everything I used in this video down in the description. First, get your chocolate mold. I suggest getting a silicone mold like this one because it's going to be easier to take the chocolate bar out when you're finished. Next, we're going to customize the chocolate bar. If you don't want to decorate your chocolate bar, you can go ahead and skip this step. To customize my chocolate bar, I use these edible gold leaves. Once I took it out of the packaging, I took one of the leaves and just placed pieces of it inside the mold. When you're finished, set the mold to the side. Next, in a bowl, add some white chocolate melts. Then add some coconut oil. Next, place the bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then mix everything together. When you're finished, place the bowl back in the microwave for 15 more seconds. Then mix everything together until smooth. Once the chocolate is completely melted, add the food coloring of your choice. I'm using yellow. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, you can repeat this process to make a second batch with a different color. I chose green. Now with a small spoon, lightly flick the chocolate over the mold, making a splash pattern. You can also drizzle the chocolate in the mold. When you're finished, place the mold in the fridge to set. While the mold is in the fridge, we're going to melt the milk chocolate for the chocolate bar. In a bowl, add the milk chocolate and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then place the bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then mix everything together and place the bowl in the microwave for 15 seconds. Give the chocolate another good mix and then place it in the microwave for 15 more seconds. By this point, the chocolate should be almost melted, so you can just continue to mix it until it is completely melted and smooth. Next, take your mold out of the fridge and pour the milk chocolate into the mold. Now move the mold around so the chocolate completely coats the inside of the mold. Then pour the excess chocolate out of the mold. Lightly tap the mold to make sure everything is even and then place it in the fridge to set. Once the chocolate has set, take it out of the fridge and add more melted chocolate on the sides. When you're finished, place the mold back in the fridge to set again. Now we're going to make the pistachio filling for the chocolate bar. First, we're going to toast the dried Kataifi. In a large pan over medium heat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, pour the Kataifi into the pan. Then toast it until golden brown. When you're finished, pour the Kataifi into a bowl. Then let it cool. Once the Kataifi has cooled completely, add 1 cup of pistachio cream. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, take your mold out of the fridge, then add the pistachio mixture into the mold and smooth it over evenly with a spatula. After adding the pistachio mixture, pour the remaining melted chocolate on top. Use a spoon to spread the chocolate evenly. When you're finished, place the mold back in the fridge to set one more time. Once your chocolate bar has completely set, take it out of the fridge and remove it from the mold. After removing the chocolate bar from the mold, I did add a few more specks of the gold leaf I used before on top, because you could barely see the gold I added before, so I just added a bit more on top to make it more visible. And that's it, you're all finished making the Dubai chocolate bar. Now we're going to make the Dubai chocolate covered strawberries. First, slice some strawberries in half. Then get a cup and add some of the pistachio mixture into the cup. Next, add your sliced strawberries. Then pour some melted chocolate and pistachio cream on top. Then repeat this process one more time or until you filled the cup up to the top. When you're finished, sprinkle some crushed pistachios on top. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. Everyone, the hype is totally real. This chocolate bar is so incredibly good. That crunchy pistachio filling is delicious. And the chocolate bar ended up looking so pretty, which I'm super happy about. The chocolate covered strawberries were delicious too. 10 out of 10 would absolutely recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!